Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to break down a really cool coding problem and walk through the solution step by step. The problem we are solving is about splitting a binary string into two non-empty substrings to maximize the score. So let's dive right into it. So this is our problem. We have a string S consisting of zeros and ones, and we have to return the maximum score after splitting the string into two non-empty substrings, left and right. So the thing is, in left substring we will calculate the number of zeros, and on right substring we will calculate the number of ones. Like that we have to do. If you see here, you will get to know for this number first substring is 0 and remaining 1. So here there are 4 ones, so 1 plus 4, like that we have to do. So let's start our coding part. First we have to initialize variables. First I will start with n in order to store the length of the string. Then I will create another variable once, which will count the total number of ones in the right part as we move through the string. Then another variable int current in order to track the current score of the left part, starting with the first character. Caret 0. We have to check if the first character is 0, then we have to initialize that current equal to 1. Otherwise current equal to 0. Then we have to initialize another variable score, which is in order to keep track of the maximum score. We have found so first, so starting with the initial current. So we done with the initializations. Next we are starting with the loop. We will iterate through the string from second character to the second last character. I equal to 1, I less than n minus 1, I plus plus. So you may get doubt why n minus 1 here. So the thing is, we need both the left and right substring must to be non-empty. Then inside the loop we have to check if the current character is 0, then we will give it to current. If stored caret 0, sorry, not 0, it's I. Then we have to increment current, else If it is 1, then we have to increment once, counting 1 that would move into the right part, and decrement current, because moving a 1 decreases the left score. Then we have to check if the updated current is greater than our current score. If so, we have to update score. Then we have to handle the last character. Since we took only end with the um, second last character, we have to check for the last one. So we will after the loop, we will just check whether the last one is 1, then we increment once or not. N minus 1. Then we have to return the final score. That is, we already have the left and the right substrings, just we need to return the sum of those. So it's accepted, we can submit it. So you can see it's 0 ms only. It's fully efficient. So it possesses the string in a single pass, that is big of n, make it very fast. By keeping current and ones dynamically, we avoid recalculating scores repeatedly. We use a simple logic that we break the problem into two parts, left and right, and process them incrementally. That's it for today's explanation. We learned how to maximize the score by strategically splitting the string and keeping track of the left and right scores. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more coding tutorials. See you in next one.